Hello everyone, happy Sunday. I'm back with another kit idea for you using the By Your Side kit. This is such a fun kit. For this one, I am using You Make My Heart Happy, the little bone, and the paw print again. All right, I have that same, and this is from the kit, that same banner, so to speak. This time I think I'm going to use it that way. And I punched out that cute dog. Isn't he just adorable? Oh my goodness. I'm going to use some copper clay ink. I have this card base, but I'm not going to use the card base. I'm going to put it on white and a piece of copper clay. First thing I had to do was to cut my paper that I'm going to use. And I'm going to pull in my trimmer. All right. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this at 4 1/4. So I'm cutting that back piece off. That way I can use that piece for another card. All right. Now this needs to be 4 3/4. 1, 2, 3. So one, if I cut it from the top at 5 1/8, and then I turn this around and cut this at 4 3/4, I have the length I need for here. Now I need to get my sides, and I need it, what is this, 3 3/4, I think it is. Yes, 3 3/4. So if I do 3 3/4, so 3 1/2, that leaves me just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is, this is 4 1/4. I'm going to try, if I do that. All right, 1, 2. All right, I'm going to cut this side at 4 and then 3 3/4. Is that what this is? Hold on, that might be it. Yes, I need 3 1/2. Okay, 4 1/4. 1, 2, 3. So the same thing before is a 1/4, and so it's like 3/8 of an inch off of this side and 3/8 of an inch off of this side, which will give me 3 1/2. So I can just line it up. And there's my panel for my card. All right, let's put this together. All right, so I'm going to add this to here, like so. All right, now this little guy is going to go here, and this piece I'm going to put on this way. And we have in the kit some hearts, so I'm going to pull those out and use those. Now the kit comes with one block, but it's a real thin block. And I have my other ones, so I usually use my other ones, but I can use that like if I need it for a class or something. So I'm going to put some hearts on here. Let's get the sentiment on there first. So I'm taking You Make My Heart Happy, and I'm going to ink it up with copper clay. I'm going to go like so. All right. Then I'm going to add some bones over here. Put one there. And one here. All right, so there's my sentiment. All right, now, let's see. That needs to be on my card base, so let me get it on my card base. All right, that goes on the card base. if you have there's an old set. Let me get it. Let me get this down. Get it. It's called Pampered Pets, and they have these. This was the Playful Pets trim, and this was a DSP. If you have it, you can use these ideas with these supplies and make the same card, but with this product. So there's that. You know what? I think I'm gonna go this way up there with dimensionals. So let me add those. I just think he is so cute. He just has this look on his eyes like, hello. All right, move this out of the way for the time being. Take my backs off. Okay. I'm going to put that there. This little guy I'm going to put down here. And I think I'm going to put him on flat. All right, so let me add some tape to him. Only because I'm going to use a heart. And I'm going to add 3 of those. All right. Now you probably can't do 3 on every one because they only give you 12 and you make 9 cards. So just keep that in mind, but I love the 3 cards or the 3 hearts on there. And I use that paw to stamp across the bottom and on the envelope. I hope you enjoyed today's alternative idea and that you'll look at your kits in a different way and use the same layout or find some other things to use. Have a sensational Sunday. Bye.